Hello. In this tutorial, we will give you some helpful tips on common problems that you may encounter during assembly of your ROBOTIS DARWIN-MINI robot. Please read the whole manual before assembly of the robot. You must read the precautions, module components and functions, and key parts and instructions sections from pages 1 to 9 before assembly of the robot. You will be responsible for any damage caused by not reading, misreading, or not following the manual. First, we would like to direct your attention to page 8 of the manual. Under subsection D, Dynamixel XL320 of section 3, Key Parts and Instructions. Please note that the Dynamixel XL320 servo motor has a horn with two marks. The top mark, which has two slits, and the bottom, or the top, which has one slit, and the bottom, which has two slits. Please also note that the servo motor casing has a slit which is aligned with the top of the horn under factory conditions. If you would like to rotate the horn, please insert the tool into the horn and rotate the horn like so. Then align the bottom of the horn, or align the center of the casing slit with the bottom of the horn. Next, we would like to direct your attention to a step not fully detailed in the manual. Whenever the horn must be rotated, a dialog box will appear like so, as in step 21. The dialog box has an exclamation in a red triangle that tells you what position the horn must be rotated. However, in step number 45, though the diagram is correct, there is no dialog box that tells you that you must rotate the horn such that the bottom of the horn is aligned with the casing slit. Next, we would like to direct your attention to subsection A, Rivet Tool of section 3, Key Parts and Instructions. We will tell you on how to use the rivets and how to use the rivet tool. Rivets are used to easily fasten the plates without using any nuts and bolts. Know that the rivet has two parts, the pinhole and the pin. To put the pinhole into, or to fasten parts together, first insert the pinhole. Then insert the pin and push down on the pin to firmly fasten the parts together. The rivet tool is used to remove the fastened rivets. Grab the pin with the pin tool and pull upwards to remove the entire rivet. In this way, you can remove the entire rivet with the pin and the pinhole from the fastened parts. Please note that you should not push the pin in first. Insert the pinhole into the parts first and then the pin next, because it will be difficult to insert the rivet into the plate if the pin is pushed in first. Next, we would like to direct your attention on charging and the battery of the robot. Please note that the kit comes with 2 battery chargers, which only have a USB port, as well as 2 battery cases, which have a 2-pin slot. Please note that the batteries are inserted into these battery cases, which are then assembled with the robot.